Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, inside this box, I think we got a Super Nintendo. I don't see it yet, but let's open it up. A couple days ago, a friend of mine messaged me and asked me if I want to recover a failed project of a Super Nintendo console. And as you know me, I don't even look back. It made me a great deal, so I bought it. However, he didn't tell me much about it. It only tells me that it's fully working and only needs some TLC. Well, holy cow, I don't remember the last time I see a console in this condition. Looks like the projects that when we have 5-6 years old and we decide to try paint for the first time. Oh my god. It looks strange and smells strange. It's completely full of dents, marks, scratches all over the place. I don't even know where to look. Even the color looks strange. This is really strange. At first view, I have my doubts if this is a real Super Nintendo or if this is a clone. But let's get it on. As always, have a seat, relax, and join me in this super restoration project. Stick around. Console done, it's time to the controller. A couple bolts, and we're done. And with all the parts disassembled, we can now see the real state of the console and start thinking what to do next. First, I want to remove as much paint as possible before go any further. And after a couple hours, this is the result. Not bad. However, the plastics are really scratched, full of marks all over the place. So now we're gonna need to sand it to try minimize the marks and get a smoother finish. And after another hour or so, we now have a much smoother console. Now, let's give a nice bath to all the plastic parts. After the wash, I gave it a nice coat of primer and now the console starts looking a Super Nintendo again. Before we think on paint process, let's sand the primary to get a completely smooth surface and a perfect paint. For the paint, and as you know me, I don't like normal things, so for this console we're gonna use some black and gold. Let's spray them and see how it looks. Now, while the paint is still dry, let's quickly clean the rest of the remaining components. Cleaning done, but before we gonna check the paint, let's make some new decals to make this console even better. The paint is now fully dry, and as you can see, the result is super nice. The paint is really smooth. With the paint done, let's apply the decals and get ready to finish this console. And now, finally, we have all ready to finish this project. As you might notice, I also paint the real panel of the motherboard, and I also paint the controller connector. So, let's go. First, the bottom case with the motherboard and the metal shield. Now the power button. Next, the controller ports. After that, the cartridge eject mechanism. And with that done, let's move on to the top case and assemble all the buttons and plastic covers. And finally, we can screw this console together. However, after all the work, I realized that I missed the LED cover, so I had to disassemble the top case all over again. Console done, let's move on to the controller. And we're done. And this is it. Another console ready to shine again. Oh man, I have to say, this is for sure one of the most satisfying restorations that I ever made. The condition of this thing is, well, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's now ready and beauty once again. A big shout out to my friend Marcus Alves to get me a nice deal and also give me a chance to make such a fun project. I love all the work, and of course the final result. But now it's time to enjoy all the work and play some games. Well, and this is all for today. Let me say again that I really love this project. I hope you enjoy it too. If you wanna see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and share this video. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.